What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Evan, and you know I'm always up to no good. So we got the CORSA Performance cold air intake, or hot air intake, whatever you want to call it. It's a cold air intake. So we got the cold air intake. We're going to be installing on the SRT8. So we got it in. It's with the 6.1 liter SRT8. I'm going to unbox to show you guys how well made it is. It's got good quality and good material used to create the cold air intake. So I'm going to bring the camera, show you guys, and then pretty much we're going to go ahead and install it. So let's get to work, baby. Alright, you guys, so we got the cold air intake. We're going to go ahead and unbox it. I already opened it up, but I'm going to unbox it for you guys to see. So here we go. It's nicely well packaged. Get this crap out of the way. And it's got some, this is a good quality. Because the last one, I don't know if you guys saw the video of me showing you guys a surprise, which was the SRT8 that had its janky or junk, low quality, you know, cold air intake. I'm sure that was the air filters that were made during that time period where the previous owner installed on the SRT8. So this is a better quality. It's got a blue filter in here. Yeah, right here, blue filter right here. So we're gonna go ahead. It has instructions. It's got this stuff here. It's got this nice tube here and whatnot. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna install it. So I'm gonna unbox, not unbox, but I'm gonna take all the stuff, all the clear out, and put it, get ready to put it on the vehicle. So we're gonna go ahead and for now just put this in the box, and then we're just gonna get everything put on the car. So let's get to work, baby. Alright you guys, so everything is put together. The cold air intake came out amazing. I also slapped this bad boy on. CORSA says CORSA, clear through plexiglass, got a seal around it. Put in the screw here, tighten everything down, Breather hose was attached. Let me put something here so it's not rubbing against it. And then tighten these down, put in the new, not the new, but the, you know, current IAT sensor or whatever, the map air flow sensor. I installed that into the new grommet here, so everything is put together. This is put together. I mean, the catch can was there from before, but in terms of the cold air intake, everything's been installed. This thing doesn't move, it's nice and sturdy. So there you go guys. Yeah, this here I might put something here so it's not rubbing, but overall a good quality, came out amazing. Cold air intake, man, this thing looks phenomenal. Let me show you guys the old one real quick. Alright you guys, so we're in the garage. This is the old cold air intake. As you guys can tell, this thing looks beat up. I don't know what kind of brand this is. Here's some of the components inside. Yeah, it doesn't look too good. Here's the old clamp, and here is the old tube, and here's the small filter that is filthy, and I'm sure this thing probably doesn't even breathe well. So there you go guys, I wanted to show you the old setup. Definitely has seen better days. This thing is ready for the garbage can. So here you go guys, this is the old one, the new one's in, so this thing is going in the garbage. What's going on you guys? So we installed the cold air intake. It came out phenomenal, good quality material, plexiglass. It's got the screws to hold it in place, hold the seal in place. It's got a screw here, nice clamps here, nice clamps here. Everything has been basically tightened down. It's nice and sturdy. This shit won't go nowhere. The current sensor that was on the car, on the SRT, the IAT sensor went in, or the map air flow sensor or mass air flow sensor went in. Pushed that into the grommet. So everything is pretty much installed. This is how the cold air intake looks, and I'm sure it's going to perform a lot better than the old one that I just showed you guys. So this is a win-win for me. I wanted to really change the air intake because it looked like it seen better days. So here you go guys, this is installed, and that's pretty much it. What's going on you guys? So I know you guys already saw the cold air intake installed in the previous video. If you guys didn't see it, it was installed, and you guys will be able to see it towards the end of the video, or maybe you guys saw it towards the end of the video. The cold air intake was installed. So if you look at the last few sections of the video from the previous video, you'll see that it was there. So reason being that you guys are seeing the cold air intake now is because I didn't want to include the installation in the previous video, and that's because I wanted you guys to see just the installation of the thermostat housing, the radiator hoses, the radiator, and so on and so forth. So that's the reason why you're seeing just the cold air intake video. Now this is just primarily a video on just the installation of the cold air intake, so I just wanted to basically, what's the word I'm looking for? not deviate. What's the damn word? I'm forgetting right now. Not promote, but dedicate this video just on the cold air intake installation. So that's why you're seeing this video now. I know it's a little weird to see this video now. I know I was gonna show you guys the beginning of the cold air intake. My mistake, the blown head gasket series. So basically this video should have been basically the start of the cold damn, why did I keep saying the cold air intake? The blown head gasket series, or the beginning videos of the blown head gasket, where I start showing you guys now me taking apart the car so we could do the blown head gasket repair. So yeah, it's kind of weird that you're seeing the cold air intake now, but I wanted to show you anyways, because these are some of the stuff that I've been doing to the car. And in terms of maintenance, now that we found out the car has a blown head gasket, we obviously have to go ahead and get that fixed. So the next video is obviously going to be me explaining what actually happened with the vehicle, how I got a head gasket, or how I believe I got a blown head gasket, and then we'll just start getting all the videos ready so you guys can see me doing the repair on the 300 SRT8. So that's pretty much it. There's nothing really new for you guys to know. There's no real update other than me just explaining why you guys are seeing this cold air intake video after just me doing the maintenance, for the water pump, yada yada yada. You guys get the point. So that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And with that being said, you know the vibes. I'm out.